Hello, my name is Anish Biram and welcome to my Unity Rollerball project. So first we'll be going down the rubric from part A to part B and we'll be explaining how we earned each point. First part is the completion of setting up the game and moving the player. As you can see in the game, as we click play mode, we can move the object, we can roll the ball. So now, and you can also see that it's the completion of setting up the game. So now we're going to move the camera and set up play area. So as you can see over here that there's different perspectives, and I chose free, and you can move it in and out, move the camera completely. So now the third one is the completion of collectible objects, display, score, and text built in the game WebGL version. So now we'll be playing the game and getting all the yellow pickups. They're called pickups. Well, that's what I labeled them as. So it's kind of difficult there. So as you can see over here, my count is 7. I collected all the objects, and that as you can see, it displays the score and text. So now we'll be moving into part B. It says create a maze with walls that the ball cannot go through. And you need a box collider. So what I did was, and it shows the win text after, it's a small glitch in mine. As you can see, that the ball can go through, can't go through the walls. It's stuck. So if I try to go through this wall right here, it won't let me because the box, it's not put on trigger. So now the next one is change the color of the walls of the maze. As you can see here, there is a variety of green and red. And now the third one is the change the win text. I did not do that one. The next one I did was I created a capsule shape pickup items that subtract points. So as you can see right here, that my count is -2 because as you just saw, I collected 2 of those white capsules. Those capsules, these white objects, I just collected them, which caused -1, and now it leveled out with 0. So that's what happened there. And now create a jump ability to the ball. So what I did is I click space and it jumps. So basically how I did this was, it's fairly simple. All I did was let me pause this real quick, went to my player, and what I did was let's see, what did I do? Oh yeah, I went to the player controller script and I went to edit script, and I saw in the video how it said, I saw another version saying how you can create a jump ability to it, like it's a physics component into it. And now the next part is create a second player. So what I did over here was, let's get rid of that. 1 second. What I did was I created another player. I created another player into this to add. So as you can see, I opened up a new player, and to make sure that he's functional, like functionable, you can see as he can move with the white object and collect and not have. So this player has the same exact functions. If you click jump, they both jump. Yeah. So basically, that's the second player. And then it says add a physics material in your sphere collider for the player. So what I did was I went to create over here, and I went to physics material. I added the physics material, and all I did was I dragged it into the material, and I even changed some components like the dynamic friction and the static friction within it. Now, the next thing, so what I learned from this project is that there are multiple options and like many different things that you can explore with throughout all of Unity, and how it has so many different features and functions that it can just there's a lot to learn which you can improve on every day with your computer science skills. And I also learned that there's a lot more features, and that if you want to really make a game, that you got to put some work into it. And an explanation of what I could have done better and what I would do different next time is, I believe that what I could have done better was overall improve my game overall. I felt like there were some glitches and like bugs to it, and I feel like I could have fixed it. And also what I would have done better next time is I could have tried not doing this and asking for more questions, like try not doing this at one time, and tried asking the teacher for help. Thank you, Mr. Kreitz.